right in there. That's very exciting. Very exciting indeed. Okay. Hello everybody. How are you? You okay? I wonder what's in here. Can you guess what might be in here? I wonder what it could be. We just heard that song about Old MacDonald. Mrs. Hutchinson, have we got cows in there?
No cows.
No,
The cows are too big.
Cows are too big for in there. I wonder what else it could be. Hang on. I know. Have we got pigs in there?
Let me just have a look.
Okay. Oh.
No, they're not pigs.
No, I like pigs because they're pink and I quite like pink, but could you have a look for me and give me a clue, do you think, Mrs. Hutchinson? I wonder what it could be. Can anyone guess what it might be? I can see that pigs probably wouldn't fit in there either. Maybe it's a distancing dog. Is it a distancing dog?
No, it hasn't got a waggy tail.
Oh, I've just seen what it is. Would you like to see what's in here? Would you? Okay, we've got some special visitors here. And Mrs. Hutchinson is going to show you one of our special visitors. We have got, can you guess how many we've got? Oh, did you hear that? Isn't that amazing? We have got little ducklings that have hatched here in the Art and DT room where we've been keeping them all safe and happy, and we saw them hatch a couple of nights ago, and it's very exciting, isn't it? Very exciting indeed. But we've been thinking about this, and you know what we're like with animals here at Pashley. We love our animals, we love taking care of animals, and we have been thinking, should we keep the ducklings? Because we've got 4 of them. What do you think? Do you think we should keep the ducklings? I'm not sure. You know, because we've got quite a few animals already. What animals have we got already? We've obviously got the distancing dogs. Okay, so we've got quite a few distancing dogs that have been around helping us how to do our social distancing, doing a really good job. We've got chickens, haven't we?
We've got 5 chickens.
We've got 5 chickens. I think, what else have we got? We've got rabbits. We've got 2 rabbits, haven't we?
Pumpkin, the rabbits.
Yeah, and also we've got guinea pigs. I don't know whether we've got room, but we'd like to make room, but we're just not sure. So we thought we would ask you, Mrs. Hutchinson, and I just thought, okay, what do? We ask the children, ask our families, what should we do? Should we keep them? Because we'd love to keep them. We're quite excited, can you tell? Quite excited indeed. Okay, so let's say we did keep them, okay? Let's say we looked after them as well as we look after all our other animals, and they're quite noisy, so I think it's really important that we keep them happy because they're never happy at the moment. We need to be able to think, where would they live? Because this is our art and DT room most of the time, and we need to do art and DT and cooking and things in here. So where could we keep them? Because do they need a special home, do you think?
Oh, what do ducks need?
I don't know what ducks need. Could you help us, children? Do you think you could? Because Mrs. Hutchinson's really busy looking after the other animals. And yeah, we need your help, because if we're going to keep them, we've got to make sure that they're really lovely, safe places to be able to keep them. So what do they need? They need to have somewhere which is safe. Do they need to go near our other animals, or do they need to be away from them? What do ducks like to do? Do they need something to... Do they swim, ducks? I've got a feeling I've heard that they swim. So if they swim, what do they swim on?
For swimming, look.
Oh, they have got special feet. They've got webbed feet, so that's a big clue there.
Yeah.
So where would we put them? Because they need to be kept happy. Okay, this is quite tricky. We really need to think about this. Are they going to get any bigger? or do they stay this size? I mean, I think they might get bigger because animals tend to get bigger, don't they, as they get older. So it's going to have to be quite a big space. Okay, but what do they eat? I don't know what they eat. I've never had ducks before, so could you find out? Could you start sending us some information if you want to keep them? And even if you want to keep them, then tell me why do you want to keep them? Where do you want to keep them? Maybe you could draw a picture of what their new home could look like.
That would really help us, wouldn't it?
Yeah, maybe do a design. Could you do a design for us? Because you know what our enchanted garden looks like. So we've got the farm on there at the moment. So what does it look like? What would their new place look like? What would they need in it? What would their food look like? Maybe you could draw a picture and label that. But you know what my animal at home likes? Coco. She likes, in the evening when she's all tired and she's about to go to bed, she likes a story.
I think they like stories. They just like that song you played.
Yes.
About little dogs.
Yeah. So maybe you could make a little story for them. Maybe you could. Oh, look, we've got Mr. Jules at the window.
And secret message.
He's got a message for us. Yeah, we're not quite sure. And he's got a joke. Have you got any duck jokes? Okay, because Mr. Jules got one. And okay, I'm going to tell it to you. Okay, because I was going to ask for some jokes as well, but we've already got one. What do ducks like to eat? And then can you say it back to me? We don't know. What do ducks like to eat? Cheese and quackers. Brilliant. Love it. Okay, so maybe you know some other duck jokes because they look very happy. We want to keep them happy with jokes, haven't we? Maybe we could have some fascinating facts about them as well. Start sending some things into your teachers or send them to me. You've got my email address, your families have got my email address. Just send them in, anything that you can think of. And then maybe next Wednesday for assembly, we'll see have they got any bigger, and we'll see if we've got enough ideas about where we can keep them if we're going to keep them, and how we're going to keep them nice and safe and happy at Pashley. I wonder whether they could join our farm. I'd really like them to. Anyway, it's nearly the weekend, so before I go, have a lovely weekend, and yeah, it's going to be great, and very exciting indeed. Okay, all right, so bye everybody. They're going to say goodbye as well. Can we listen to them? Oh, we're going to get a bit closer. Bit closer. You're going to say goodbye to... Look, we've got our new friends here. Oh, look. I'd like to keep them. Send in your ideas. Let us know. Okay. All right then. Bye, everybody.